Cloudy cooks bring sunshine into your life with some lovely food and Caribbean spices, spices. Cloudy cooks.
Hey guys, welcome back to another cooking video with your one and only Claudie Cooks in the kitchen. We're cooking a simple steak dinner tonight, all the way from sunny Malta. And as you can see, there are a few ingredients that I know you're going to love. Let's cook. Woo woo! Let's get the chips in the oven. It's already been preheated, and we're going to just pop these on before we start the steak. I'm talking about quick and easy. So as you can see, I'm not making my own chips. I don't want to because I'm on holiday celebrating my birthday and I just want something quick and easy. So in the oven this goes. Guys, whilst the pan is heating up, let's step over to the steak. These are some beautiful sirloin steak and I'm keeping it simple. Really, I'm not putting any seasoning on it at all because we're making some peppercorn sauce and that's going to have all the flavors. And also, I don't have the seasoning here for it, so it's just plain and simple, but it's going to be tasty. Time to add some oil and butter. So we're going to get nice flavors onto the steak. Give it a little bit of crispiness to the edges. Let's go in with some butter now. Let's add our steak to the pan. Listen for this sizzle, I love it. Hey guys, once we find our steaks, let's show you the view. It's beautiful, beautiful. I hope you're going to love that view. Let's get over to the cooker and flip those steaks over. Frying 2 minutes on each side to keep it nice and rare. So to medium rare. Time to remove our steak. Just going to let these sit and rest for a while. Let's make the sauce. Then we add in some chopped onion to the same pan and we're just going to saute these until they're translucent, and then we will go in with the garlic for a few minutes to cook out the taste of the garlic. Look at this, it's smelling beautiful in this kitchen. In with the garlic. We're going in with some black peppercorn. We're toasting all of this off to release all these beautiful flavors in the pot here right now. Time to add a bit of brandy, maybe about a tablespoon. We're just going to deglaze that a bit. Just trying to get a bit of the alcohol off of here. But you could leave the alcohol out. But I'm on a holiday, who cares? We're going to use some stock into this as well, but I would advise to use fresh stock, but I couldn't get any. So I'm just going to use a little bit from this stock pot here to add to your sauce. But fresh is best. I'm going to go in with some double cream. I'm using this one because that's what I could get here. You just judge how much you want. I think probably just half a cup. This is for 2, so you need to scale up or down depending on how many people you're feeding. I'm going in now with the stock. I'm using beef stock. going to blend that out. Got very few kitchen gadgets in this Airbnb, but I'm working with what I've got. You have to adapt to wherever you are in the world. Going in with a few more peppercorn. Time for some mustard. I'm going in with 1 heap teaspoon. But I'm going to add a bit of butter on there for a bit of more creaminess and gloss. We're going to have a taste, and we're just going to let that simmer down for a few minutes until it reduces and thickens a bit. Let's check it out for seasoning. This tastes amazing, beautiful. Hey. We're leaving that on for about a few more minutes. Let's turn our attention to our asparagus. Some oil in the pan and some butter. In with the asparagus. In with some black pepper. And a bit of salt. Just a little sprinkle. We're just going to gentle fry these with a keeping crunch to it. And that's where all of the goodness is. We don't want to cook it out, then it becomes all soggy. Our sauce is done, so let's turn the fire off. Chips are almost done. We are done here, just waiting for the chips. Raise a glass with Bloody Cooks. Cheers. Chips done, time to plate up. Let's check out the steak. Look at that. Look at that. Perfect. Time to spoon this magnificent silky sauce over our steak. Yummy. How delicious does that look? And there you have it, guys. My quick and easy steak and chips dinner with buttered asparagus and pepper sauce. Look at that. This tastes amazing. It's even better in the sunshine in Malta. Peace and sunshine from Malta. Enjoy this beautiful dish. Don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe, share with your friends. Lots of love from Claudie Cooks.
Claudie Cooks bring sunshine.